Some of us have the habit of taking on more work than we can handle. We say yes to requests before really thinking about it. We commit ourselves into doing things simply to please or to avoid trouble, etc. However, this can make us feel overworked and stressed. More importantly, we won't have much time to spend on working towards our own goals. Essentialists relentlessly pursue less but pursue better. They pause constantly to ask themselves, am I investing in the right activities? They know that they only have limited amount of time and resources. No one can do it all. Essentialists instead focus on the few vital tasks that bring them closer to their goals. We have the power to choose what we want to do. When we do not embrace the power to choose, we are actually surrendering the power for someone else to choose for us. Exercise this power to choose by discerning between essential and non essential activities in your life. Most activities are unimportant, if you really think about it. They are only taking our precious time and energy away from the activities that will help us achieve our goals. Sometimes we will have to make trade offs. Trade offs are necessary because if we try to do it all, we will likely end up with poor results. We have to evaluate and choose our best option to get the best results for us. To understand what we need to focus, we need to filter the essential facts, options, and opinions from the non essential. We will have to pay attention to the information that we do not have and the various details that show our different perspectives of the same situation to gain a more objective understanding of our situation. Another important aspect of life is play. It stimulates the parts of your brain involving in both logical reasoning and carefully exploration. When you play, you not only reduce stress, you help your mind see new possibilities and connections. Additionally, sleep is important too. Your brain doesn't function as well as it normally does. Without adequate sleep, it will get harder to think, plan, prioritize, see the bigger picture, and make decisions, etc. There are four important facts about sleep. 1 hour of sleep equals several more hours of higher productivity. Sleep is for those striving to perform well. Sleep breeds creativity. Sleep enables the highest level of mental contribution. Remember, going 24 hours without sleep or sleeping 4 to 5 hours a night for 1 week induces an impairment equivalent to blood alcohol level of 0.1%. A high level of clarity about what you stand for, what your goals are, and your roles is necessary for you to consistently work towards achieving them. A lack of clarity leads to confusion, stress, and frustration. Regularly edit your life. That is, make necessary changes to eliminate distractions around you. Authors edit unnecessary details out of their novels to present a clear story. Similarly, you must edit your life to ensure its progress in a direction you desire. We live in an unpredictable world. Dealing with problems that keep cropping up will keep you distracted and busy. You will not be able to function as productively and effectively as much as you possibly can. To achieve long-term results, you will need to identify the biggest obstacle, which is the part of your system that is functioning the most poorly. Once it has been identified, you can remove it from your life. Staying grounded is one of the most important qualities of an essentialist. It is important to focus on small, realistic goals. When you feel like you are making progress in meaningful work, you will feel like you are achieving countless small wins. Additionally, each small win allows you to build the momentum necessary to achieve the next small win, and so on until you hit the breakthrough point. leading you to achieve the success you desire. When you repeatedly do a certain task, the nerve cells in your brain make and strengthen the synapses, which is how nerve cells communicate with each other. After sufficient repetition, these synapses will be activated with little or no effort. The present is in your control. Work hard at what you can do right now, and you will get the results that you desire.